All right, I'm happy to be interviewed by you because here I'm dealing with a celebrity from Jerusalem. Spiritual coaching is something that has grown on me. As long as I can remember my living mindfully and consciously, I've been interested and attracted to everything that had to do with spirituality. And that does not necessarily mean organized religion. Some organized religions also have spiritual elements in them. But spirituality is all around us. It's happening. People have dreams, recurrent dreams. People have visions. People have ideas. People get intuitions. They get insights. They speak about things that nobody else knows about. And some people see and hear things, but they are afraid to talk about it because in our so-called modern psychological world, anything that does not sound like what the psychologist or the psychiatrist or the other mental health expert knows, anything that does not fit their frame is being labeled as an illness or disorder or a disease. And one of the things that I've discovered in the many years that I'm practicing this is that most, if not all, but at least a huge, large part of most mental illnesses has a spiritual basis, has a spiritual element. People hear voices, people get certain scents and smells, people get vibrations. But when they talk about it, it's being labeled or it's being categorized as a mental illness or a disease. One of my first clients that I had to deal with was a lady from New York who wanted to stop smoking, and she asked me if I could help her with hypnosis to stop smoking, to which I said yes. And in the midst of this hypnotic trancing or hypnotic state, all of a sudden her voice changes. It changes, and she speaks with the voice of a male with an Arab accent. And this was my first one-on-one spiritual experience. And that male voice gave me all the information that I needed to have about her condition. That male voice shared with me that she was sexually abused when she was a child of 4 years, and that trauma, that's what she was still living through. And I was so grateful. First I started shaking because I didn't know what to do. And then spontaneously the idea occurred to me to ask, what is it that you have to share with me that's important for this lady? And that's where I got the information. And her mental illness, because she had a few issues, as the way we express it, besides heavy smoking, 2 packs a day, her mental illness was healed, cured in 2 sessions, just because the cause was revealed. And what we are doing here with mind-body medicine, we help you find the cause that has brought you in the situation that you are looking for therapy, that you're looking for mental health help, that you're going for prescription drugs, for antidepressants, for high blood pressure medication, for sleeping medication. All that is all these are symptoms of a complete disturbance of the mind-body balance. You are out of balance, and that balance can be restored. And after it has been restored, you are going to practice maintenance to stay as healthy and well as you felt during the sessions. This is what spiritual coaching has to do. You are being taught how to take care of yourself.